Hey guys, this is Astrid. I thought today we could do some cooking, so I'm gonna do a cooking tutorial. Okay, I'm back. I got some books to put the camera on. These are some of my favorites, so we're gonna put the camera on these ones. Okay. I will get my life together eventually, I promise. There we go. Okay, so today we're gonna be making an omelet. And I haven't made one of these in a while, so hopefully it will taste okay. I'm kind of simple with my omelets. I don't really, like doing anything too fancy. Usually some cheese, some basil is pretty good. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break the eggs and do some whisking. Hope you guys are having a good day today. It's probably kind of weird to be making an omelet right now because it's late afternoon, early evening, but I really like eggs, so I'm gonna have an omelet for dinner. I read that usually you're supposed to put vegetables in omelets, but I feel like that would take a long time. I feel like it might be tasty, but it would probably take a really long time. So we're gonna do a little bit of pepper, just for taste, and a little bit of basil. I put basil on everything, if I'm being honest. It's really good, especially on pizza. Okay. So we got all the ingredients mixed in. So now I'm gonna add some cheese. I don't know if you guys have ever had cheese with your omelets, but they're really good. It's really good with cheese. I'm just gonna use the rest of my cheese. Yeah. Life is much better with some cheese. So we got a good eggy mixture going. So now I'm gonna pour it into the pan. Now, usually when it comes to cooking omelets, the key is having lots of patience because you can easily burn the egg. So it is best to cook it slowly. There we go. It's so pretty. Okay. So the hardest part about cooking an omelet is making sure that you do not burn it. So I'm gonna cook it on medium, between medium and medium high, and that should be good. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's in that pretty round shape. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it cook a little bit before we flip it, so that it gets nice and brown and crispy on the bottom. Go away, please. I'm not expecting anyone. When your omelet starts burning, you can always